Hello. In this video tutorial, I want to discuss about difference between Core Web Vitals and Page Speed Score. So when we want to optimize our WordPress website or any website for speed, we want to make it load fast for users, for everyone, then we look for page speed. So page speed, and sometimes we come across a term called Core Web Vitals. It is related to page speed. So what's the difference? Let's see. If we want to check like any website, we can go to PageSpeed Insights website and then type in the URL that we want to check and then click Analyze. This will check page speed score for that page. And after test completes, you will see a score. In this case, we see 100 page speed score. And in Core Web Vitals, we can see that this score is divided into separate parts. So here we can see 5 different parts that form page speed score, and each part is different metric related to that page speed. And it's, for example, this one is speed index, and this is first contentful paint, largest contentful paint, total blocking time, and cumulative layout shift. And when we summarize, when we add all of them, so each one contributes certain points to the page speed score, and when we add all of them, we get final page speed score. And to simplify things, when we measure, we look at the page speed insights score. So if we get like 90 plus page speed score from 90 up to 100 score, then we know that this page is really fast. But if we get poor score, then we can focus on one particular metric that affects total score. For example, in this test, we can see that only largest contentful paint is 20 out of 25. So we can focus on this score particularly, so to get higher page speed score. So checking this score, we know that we don't need to optimize any other part. We need to focus only on largest contentful paint. And what scores, what numbers we need for each metric depends on which metric we want to know. Here we can see that largest contentful paint is 2.9 seconds, but for fast website, we need to make sure that largest contentful paint is lower than 2.5 seconds. So in this case, in first example, we can see it's 1.5 seconds, so which makes this site, this page, much faster than another one. We don't need to remember these numbers or anything else. We just look at the score itself and check the colors. For example, orange or red means that we need to focus on that Core Web Vitals metric and in order to fix it. That's the main difference between Core Web Vitals and Page Speed Score. For Page Speed Score, it's a general number. It's much simpler, so you know that it's maximum 100, and out of 100, you need to get 90 plus page speed score. But with Core Web Vitals metrics, it's all different numbers. So in some it's measured in seconds, and others measured with milliseconds or without any seconds at all measurements also happening. We can see Core Web Vitals metrics in other places as well. For example, here we can see the Chrome User Experience Visualizer report. We can see how real users interact with your website and what's the measured Core Web Vitals metrics for those users. So it's a summary of report that's collected over time, over 1 year time. And here we can see that 3 metrics are used: largest contentful paint, interaction to next paint, and cumulative layout shift metrics are visible here. Also, we can see that if it's good or needs improvement, or if it's poor. So color-coded verbal score, it's denoted as good here. Here we can see that we have a really fast website without any issues for all users around the world. So it's not synthetic benchmark, it's a real user experience report. Where else we can see Core Web Vitals report is a Google Search Console. If we navigate after selecting our website, navigate to Experience Core Web Vitals tab, we can see a report for mobile and for desktop devices, but generally focusing on mobile will be enough, because if we fix our website for mobile, then it automatically will be fixed for desktops as well. And from here we can see that we have a good URLs. All of them are good URLs. All of them are green. So it means that it's 90 plus page speed score. And from here we can see details for group of pages. So here we can see like details like Largest Contentful Paint, Cumulative Layout Shift, and Interaction to Next Paint. This is also an aggregated report from all users around the world. So all people who visited your website, some report is sent to Google via Chrome browser, and this is a score. It measures how your page loads from different locations for different users on different devices. So this is real world data about your website speed. So you may hear that Core Web Vitals, we optimize Core Web Vitals, or improve your Core Web Vitals, or like we will fix your page speed, etc. They all refer to the same thing. They all focus on providing a service or giving some guidance related to improving your page speed for your website. So if you see such a verbal usage of Core Web Vitals or page speed, then you will know that it's related to your speed, to page speed of your website. And if you want to improve it, you may focus on those metrics and learn how to improve, how to fix your speed issues. If you are working on local website, or you can use it on live websites as well, inside Chrome, you can right click on it and click inspect, and from here, from tabs, you can navigate to Lighthouse tab, and here you can test your page inside Chrome. So you can select device mobile, navigation mode, and you want to measure performance only for Core Web Vitals. Click Analyze button. It will check how fast your page will load on mobile devices. So this is also another way of performing page speed score. So here we can see that if it's a 94 page speed score, and these are different Core Web Vitals metrics. Here we can see that total blocking time is poor, so we need to focus more on this in order to get higher page speed score. But generally 90 plus is a good score, and you can focus further and fix it further by focusing on areas that report shows you to fix. And with details insights, you can see exactly maybe like what's causing that poor score and fix accordingly. So don't be afraid of these long reports, long insights, long suggestions or diagnostics here, visible here. Generally, even if you have 100 page speed score, you will get some suggestions, some recommendations, etc. So don't worry about them, unless the main point is to be happy with your existing score. If it's 90 plus, then it's all good. You don't need to worry about page speed. And generally, it's once you fix your page speed score, you don't need to touch it again. You don't need to worry about it much more, because it will be fixed for future updates, for future content updates, or for future plugin updates, theme changes, etc. So in order to get such a reliable fix, such a permanent fix, there is a simple strategy that you need to focus. Generally, by focusing on 4 different areas like page cache, optimizing your CSS loading time, optimizing your images, and optimizing your JavaScript. Those 4 areas will be enough to get 90 plus PageSpeed score. I have a checklist that I use to optimize all WordPress websites that I manage, my own websites and my client websites as well. So you can get that checklist from my website, webbar.com/speed. It's simple to follow PDF checklist. I have also 2 different video tutorials that shows how to focus on those 4 areas that I mentioned earlier. So it will make page optimization much easier and much simpler by using only free plugins, simplest plugins possible to optimize your page speed score, and that improved page speed score will last for a long time unless you intentionally break or unless you like try to optimize it further or without understanding try to add more optimization features, enable other optimization features. Follow those videos and you can improve your page speed score. See you in there. Thank you for watching, liking these videos. Bye.